At ease, mates. Captain Phillip here, reporting for duty. This is an exciting day for sure. Let's batten down the hatches as we prepare to take our maiden voyage aboard the famous Lego City Deep Sea Adventure Submarine Ride. We'll finally unveil the Lego treasure that we discovered and share it with all these fine people assembled here before us. We've spent years searching for this treasure, and alas, it has been found. We have taken great care to bring it here today, and we are thankful that all of you are here to witness it. In fact, among that treasure, we found money. Yes, that's right. Currency, cash, bucks, bills, Benjamins, and lots of it, as you are displaying, yes. We found thousands of dollars. I myself am a Lego treasure collector, so this moolah is a bit too rich for this captain's blood. Captain Ronchetti, perhaps you can assist. Captain Peter Ronchetti is the general manager here at LEGOLAND California Resort. We'd also like to invite Vince Bryson and Jennifer Harter from the Los Angeles and San Diego chapters of Ronald McDonald House Charities to join us.
Thank you, Captain Phillip. Good morning, everybody, and a warm welcome. Here at LEGOLAND California, we are huge fans of the work of the Ronald McDonald Charities. They do a wonderful job bringing families together at times of need. We also have our own in-house charity, Merlin's Magic Wand, and we're very close cousins because the Magic Wand also works to bring families together when they need our help. We also take the magic to them sometimes, so we're pretty close cousins. But with that, I'm absolutely delighted to offer this oversized check for $80,000 to Ronald McDonald House Charities.
Couple more snaps. Snap, 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 snap. All right.
Come on, best side.
Oh, all sides are your good sides, Peter. Thank you so much, Bryce and Jennifer. Thank you to the Ronald McDonald House Charities for all that you do. Now, I mentioned Lego treasure. We have found Lego coins, swords, jewels, crowns. We've even found some rare Lego paintings. They are miraculous. If you look very, very closely, you'll see that... excuse me, if you couldn't see, I was in the middle of an amazing verbal illustration. Now, where was I? The gems. You should see these gems. They twinkle like the eyes of a humpback whale eating krill and what is it? Take that out. Take it out.
Captain!
Yes.
Captain! That's what I came here to tell you, Captain. It's the Lego treasure.
Uh-huh.
It's gone. We lost it.
Wait, you're serious? What? What do you mean you lost it? What do you mean it's gone?
Oh, it fell down back in the deep sea. I mean, amid all the baby shark doo-doo-doo-doos and the bat rays and all the other beautiful fish.
Well, this certainly changes things. I suppose I'll need to find some explorers to retrieve it. But where can I find explorers at a moment like this? They should be young, agile, brave, smart, good-looking. They do well on standardized testing, but also the ability to be creative. Are there any explorers among us? If you are, just raise your hand. I don't see any volunteers, so sir, I don't know. Wait, are you explorers? Let me ask one more time. Are you explorers? Oh, fantastic. Then I will need your help this morning. But first, a very important part of our ceremony, and I'll need some help for this as well. We need to prepare and christen the submarines that await to take our maiden voyage. Boy, it seems like I need a lot of help this morning.
What?
I'd like to ask Tom Storer, the official project lead of Lego City Deep Sea Adventure, to join me. And I believe his son Mick has a birthday today. Is that right? Turning 8 years old. And what better way to celebrate than to untie the subs from their docks so that we can release them and they can explore the depths of the deep sea. Are you up for it, Mick? All right, let's do it. Tom, I understand that you were in the Navy, yes?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Well, you should know how to untie a knot. This one looks like a tough one, but I believe if you and Mick pull hard, we can untie those subs. Are you ready? Okay, kids, explorers, I'm going to need your help as well. Let's count them down from 5. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, pull. Great job, mates. Very nicely done. We did it. Okay, if you all would stand right over there. In just a few minutes, you'll be leading our explorers onto the ride. But before we get to that, we have one more matter at hand. General Ronchetti, also Vince and Jennifer, will you join me over here? Now, friends, it's not official unless we christen the subs. Since they're waiting for us inside, we'll do it right here. Prepare your champagne bottles, made of Lego, of course. And once again, explorers, I will need all of your help to count us down from 5. Can you help me? Will you be nice and loud so the sharks hear you underwater? Then here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lego City Deep Sea Adventure Submarine Ride is officially open.